Hi, I'm Scott Swan. I'm the Senior Director of Innovation at MorphoTrak. Here at the Global Identity Summit, very excited to have a product release this year. It's our Morpho Video Investigator. And really the driver behind this is very much based on the needs from law enforcement and the rest of the government to process large-scale video data. As a result of the Boston Marathon bombings, it was evident within the U.S. government that there was a large-scale video challenge at the hands to really process efficiently, without using brute force, large quantities of video. And as such, we've actually, Morpho has taken those requirements that were gathered from the government and have put together a solution that can save a lot of time and efficiency and lead an investigator to really actionable intelligence to help guide an investigation. So let's take a look at the product and the main features that really kind of set this off to help support the investigators. So one of the first features is the motion detection. You know, it's very important to be able to reduce a lot of information down into something that's manageable. So in this particular incident, you'll see the green boxes essentially represent where we have motion in the video. And as you look across videos, you can jump to where the most activity actually occurs, and where you have dead space, you can essentially skip over that. So you can take tens of thousands of hours of video and really reduce that down into hundreds of hours and get that in front of an investigator and save enormous resources. Another feature that we have within this is, within the entire frame, is we can reduce down into a particular sub-region within the frames as well to look at where there might be particular regions. So if we wanted to focus in, for example, on the road, and we were looking for a particular car or a person, we can just look in that particular area where we may see motion. And you know, as we combine additional analytics in the future, we'll be able to really zero down and save time for the investigator. So some additional analytics and really some of the strengths of Morpho that we provide within the product are our ability to find faces, to find license plates, to find people. And in this particular video, you'll see that we're looking at motion, we're looking at faces, and we're also identifying people. And so you'll see a lot of detections that are illustrated by the boxes. The different boxes illustrate, you know, finding the blue boxes for finding people, the green boxes for finding faces, and of course you'll see a lot of motion in this particular video. This allows an investigator to essentially choose which analytics can help them solve a case. And you know, in this particular sporting event, there is of course an altercation, and you know, a lot of observers that actually seen the incident could be you know, identified and potentially provide value. But this is just one incident of how Morpho Video Investigator can be utilized in a real investigation. So that's a brief overview of Morpho Video Investigator. For some more information, you can visit our website at morpho.com/USA.